Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you all feeling fine. I'm also well. This is Didi Bon in front of you. Now I'd like to talk about my hostel life. So my hostel life was very interesting, but it was also very hard. In 2009, my father admitted on our Christian hostel. So at first I felt very lonely because I miss my father and my mom. The hostel life I could not adjust for in the beginning. 1 month later, I make many friends, good friends. So I try to live independently, and hostel rules taught us respect, responsibility, time maintain, and so hostel life is very interesting but very hard. So hostel food was very delicious and very tasty, but sometimes we all time at plantain and potato match. But sometimes we had fish and chicken, but it's a little piece for chicken curry. But we get aloo mash and lentil. It is a very delicious, but it is very interesting about. And 40 years I live in hostel. Each year is very hard for my family. Mashi fire topic, right? One day we'll miss our every day is aloo mash and lentil, talking, gossiping, and everywhere. And so one day we'll miss our classroom teachers, and one day we'll miss our make a beautiful memorized years. This is my about topic today. Thank you.